Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys and hello everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dini Minarti Arasulemanti. ID number 441419030. Class Chemistry Education B. Okay. Here I will present about alumina extraction for mode. Title: Alumina extraction from mud. Objective is study the extraction of metal oxides from mud and characteristic compounds produced by FDR. Literature review. Extraction is a chemical separation technique for separating or withdrawing one or more component or compound analytes from a sample using curtain. A provide solvent of stirring also affect the result of the extraction process. The next two methods: experimental tools and materials. Okay, tools. Number 1, beaker gas. Next, measuring cup, watch glass, desiccator, spray bottle, glass funnel, spatula, glass stirrer, Erlenmeyer, reagent, magnetic stirrer, analytical blends, hand plate, flame hood, oven, distillation apparatus, pipette drops. Next to materials, and number 2, aqua dust. Number 1, aqua dust. Number 2, HCl. Number 3, KOH. Number 4, universal pH indicator paper. Number 5, filter paper. Okay, next to experimental work scheme. Method 1, start. Take 2.5 gram of dried mud that has been calcined and place it in a beaker. 50 ml, then add 15 ml of 2M NaOH solution, stirring with a magnetic stirrer for 30 minutes. Separate the sediment with filter paper, then transfer the filter to all 50 ml. Result: brownish yellow filter. Okay, next, adding 2M HCl to pH 8, use universal pH indicator paper. Heat the solution 70 degrees Celsius from a precipitate, then cool the solution to room temperature. Separate the precipitate format. Okay, first, precipitate. Wash the sediment with distilled water until the pH of the water is neutral. Washing then the precipitate in the heat in oven 1010 1010 Celsius to Austin wake. Record the final sediment mass obtained. The analyze with FTR. Result: 0,1622 grams. Finish. Okay, next to method 2. Okay, start. Take a 2,5 gram of calcined dried mud and place it on a 50 ml beaker. Add 15 of 2 ml HCl solution. Cover the beaker with a watch glass stirrer and bat the solution with a magnetic stirrer for 30 in the foam hood. Separate the sediment with filter paper. Transfer the filter to all 50 millibecquerel Rasul, the bright yellow filter solution. Next, to add 2m NaOH to pH 3. Use a universal pH indicator paper. Separate the precipitate format when the filtered added 2m NaOH to pH 8. Pres- Rasul precipitate precip- pres- sorry precipitate. Next, to wash the sediment with distilled water until the pH of the water is neutral. Washing the then the preci- sorry the precipitate is heated in oven at 1010 Celsius to a constant weight. Reckon the final sediment must obtain the analysis with FGR. Result 0,093 grams. Finish. Next, to result and discussion. Okay, friends, you can look and result. Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah, maafkan hamba ya Allah. Okay, so friends, sorry. Okay, next, to result and discussion. So friends, you can see here are the result. Here I next to the discussion. Okay, discussion. Before carrying out the extraction process, the red mud sample was prepared by calcination of the red mud is filtered through a sieve. After the preparation process, red mud is obtained, which is lighter in color and smoother in texture. The function of heating and sieving is to reduce the water content, remove the content other than mineral in the mud and organic impurities contained in it, and increase the surface area of the red mud so that it can accelerate the reaction in the next process. Okay, for for method 1, for method 1, red solute with concentrated NaOH and Al2O3 dissolves and produces aluminate ions. Silicon and aluminum contained in a red mud will dissolve simultaneously when NaOH solution is used as a solvent. The reaction that occurs in the extraction process is known by reaction equation. Okay, silica and alumina will dissolve in alkali condition as sodium silicate and sodium aluminate with a constant mass of 37,23,47 grams. Alumina is precipitated by adding HCl to pH 8, will is the optimum pH for aluminum precipitation. Aluminum oxide is soluble in NaOH while the impurities are insoluble. Impurities can be separated through a filtering process. The main impurities in the mud, bauxite, usually consist of SO2, Fl2O3, and 2O2. Metal impurities can be removed by the precipitation precipitation method by adding NaOH. When 2,5 gram of 3 mod plus 5 50 ml of 2 milli NaOH and stirred for 13 minutes will produce a brown mixture and a participant will from the filtered using filter paper and produce a brownish yellow filter color. The filtrate plus HCl2M there is a color change from brownish yellow to faint yellow because the yellow sticks to the filter paper and a precipitate is formed. The final results in for aluminum oxide contain mass of 0,1622 grams. Okay, next to method 2. In method 2, the solvent used is HCl. The addition of HCl to the dry mud will dissolve the alumina, while the silica will remain in the mud. Alumina and red mud will actually dissolve in HCl, but in high concentration and low light concentration. The reaction occurs AlO3 plus 6 HCl result to AlCl3 plus 3 H2O. The reaction occurs between this aluminum oxide alumina with HCl will produce Al3 salvage. Then the B acid when 2,5 gram of dry mud plus 15 ml of 2 HCl and stirred for 13 minutes will produce a brown mixture and precipitate will from. Then filtered using filter paper and produce a clear yellow filtered color. Then the filtered plus 2 NaOH head. There is a color change from clear yellow to pale yellow, and precipitate is formed. The final result is for aluminum oxide with a constant mass of 0,093 grams. Okay, next to conclusion. From the alumina extraction experiment from the mud they have been carried out, it can be concluded that the red mud or soil contain mineral in the form of silica and aluminum. Aluminum has an oxide in the form of alumina, Al2R3, which is aphrodite and can be soluble in alkaline or acid solvent. The result of the alumina extraction experiment in method 1 obtained a constant mass of 0,1922 grams and method 2 obtained a constant mass of 0,093 grams. Okay, thank you for attention, my friends. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.